Let me guess, you're probably watching this hunched over your desk, sipping your third coffee, with a back that's tighter than your deadline. Sound familiar? If you sit at a desk all day, then this quick workout is exactly what your body's been begging for. Sitting might feel like you're resting, but trust me, your spine, hips, and shoulders are crying out for help. So give me just a few minutes, and I'll show you 6 moves that'll help you feel energized, more flexible, and way less achy, without even leaving your chair. And hey, don't worry, this isn't one of those drop and give me 20 burpees kind of routines. Your office neighbors won't even notice unless you start doing the last move like you're in a music video. Let's jump in. Number 1, sit to stand. Activate those lazy muscles. Scoot forward in your chair, plant your feet flat, and stand up using just your legs. No pushing off with your hands. Then slowly sit back down. Repeat 10 times. Sounds easy. Do this until rep 6. Benefits. This functional movement is a mini strength workout for your quads, glutes, and core. It also improves blood flow, wakes up those sleepy legs, and reminds your body what it was built to do. Number 2, neck circles. Loosen that screen stiff neck. Start by slowly rotating your neck in a circular motion, making sure to move smoothly and gently. Complete 5 rotations clockwise, then switch directions and do 5 counterclockwise rotations. Keep your shoulders relaxed and avoid any sudden or jerky movements. You should feel a nice stretch, but never any pain. Benefits. This simple movement helps relieve tension that builds up in your neck, especially from hours of staring at screens or looking down at your phone. It also improves blood circulation to the brain, which can help with mental clarity and reduce headaches. If you constantly feel like your neck is stiff or tight, this move is an absolute game changer. Be honest, how many of you just heard a crack while doing this? Drop a skull in the comments if your neck just popped. Number 3, shoulder rolls. Shake off that desk posture. Begin by rolling your shoulders forward in big, slow circles. Focus on exaggerating the motion and really opening up your shoulders. After completing a few repetitions forward, switch directions and roll them backward. Keep your arms relaxed by your sides and don't rush the movement. This is all about loosening things up. Benefits. Shoulder rolls are excellent for fixing that hunched over posture caused by sitting too much or working at a desk all day. They help relieve tension, promote better posture, and improve mobility in your upper body. If you often feel tightness in your shoulders, this movement will help shake off that stiffness and get your shoulders moving freely again. Number 4, seated spinal twist. Recharge your spine. Place your right hand on the back of your chair, left hand on your thigh, and gently twist your torso to the right. Hold for 10 seconds. Breathe, then switch sides. Benefits. This twist gently massages the spine and helps improve spinal alignment, which is crucial after sitting for long stretches. It also aids digestion, so if you've just had lunch and are trying not to pass out at your desk, this one's for you. Number 5, standing toe touch. Wake up those hamstrings. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Slowly bend at your hips and reach for your toes, keeping your legs as straight as possible. Hold the position for a few seconds before slowly coming back up. If you can't touch your toes, don't worry. Just go as far as you can while feeling a nice stretch. Benefits. This movement helps improve hamstring flexibility, which is essential for preventing lower back pain and keeping your legs strong and mobile. It also stretches your calves and lower back, making it a great full-body mobility move. Could you actually touch your toes, or was it more like air touching? Number 6, hip circles. Loosen those hips. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and place your hands on your hips. Begin making large, slow circles with your hips, moving them forward, to the side, backward, and then around again. Complete 5 circles in one direction before switching to the other. Benefits. Hip circles help increase mobility in your hip joints, which is crucial for movements like squatting, walking, and even dancing. They also help reduce lower back pain by loosening up the surrounding muscles and improving circulation. Let's be real, who added a little salsa move while doing this? Be honest in the comments section. There you have it, 6 simple movements, no gym clothes required. Just a few minutes, and your body already feels less stiff, more awake, and way more alive. Desk jobs don't have to wreck your posture or drain your energy. It's about moving intentionally, even if it's just a little at a time. If any of these made you feel better, let me know in the comments. You can also add a little bit of any stretching in between your office work. And if you've got a favorite stretch I missed, drop it too. I might just feature it in the next video. Don't forget, your desk doesn't control you. You've got the power to feel good in your body, right now, right where you are. Let's move smarter, not harder.